Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, stylish design idea that is related to different type of usages. Like you can use them for making your embroidery projects. Like you can use them for making a hoop art embroidery. Like you can use them for making your decoration DIY decor item that could be hanged for different type of wall hangings as a decoration or a piece of art of yours and different stylized patterns, very simple, easy, beginner friendly hand embroidery patterns, doll embroidery, girl embroidery, real landscape, nature inspired embroidery. Different stylized patterns are being shared, giving different easy to make and mesmerizingly eye-catchy design ideas that are throughout useful, give creative and beautiful looks, and they are very beautiful for the ones who are looking for the art of hand embroidery, and at the same time, the art must be easy and creative to make. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end because this video contains 50 plus creative, latest, trendy, and easy to make hoop art design ideas that are specifically very good and elegant for your embroidery projects. And these embroidery projects could be sold onto different type of you can say platforms like Etsy, and different type of vintage stylized patterns are being shown, which are easy, creative, and simple to make. Guys, one more thing, and that if unfortunately you are unable to get the best or favorite designs of your own in this video, then you can explore my channel because on my channel I have shared thousands of designs which are highly related to handwork, hand embroidery, and they show different type of art of hand embroidery and thread work. So we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent of sharing designs, ideas, and creativity is to share some designs with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the community of handwork, thread work, hand art. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas and creativity of today, and do let us know in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. And keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our videos as you always have been, because with your love and support we can continue to grow, and without your love we are nothing. Guys, in the comment section, comment below the country from which you belong so that we could get to know that from which geographical region of the world our YouTube friends and family members are gathered here for watching my design collection of handwork. So, this video is entirely based on one central topic, that is who part, that how you can design your embroidery projects. So I hope that you have got